Welcome all students. Today I am going to deliver CRM and service industry. CRM is broadly recognized and widely implemented strategy for managing and nurturing a company's interaction with customer, clients, and sales prospects. It involves using technology to organize, automate, and synchronize business process, principally sales activities, but all those for marketing, customer services, and technological support. When an implementation is effective, people, process, and technology work in synergy to increase profitability and reduce operational costs. So generally for each and every business. So they have to maintain a good customer relationship. So generally in this case of CRM, there are three things plays a vital role. The number one is people, process, and technology. How the companies utilizing the customer relationship management through CRM based on the front end as well as the back end operations are there. So purely how much they are carrying the customer, that much they are profitable because of loyalty and then because of quality of services. So regarding the service organization, the service is intangible and then so intangible and then inseparable. So that is a two things are very important. Service sector for the last 30 years, there has been a substantial shift the primary and secondary sector to the in industrialized countries. The territory sector is now the largest sector of the economy. The service sector consists of the parts of the economy where people offering their knowledge and time to improve productivity, performance, potential. The basic characteristics of this sector is the production of service instead of end products. So generally the service is purely based on the dependent on the customer focus. So when the customers how based on the knowledge, every organization they are managing the knowledge management. So generally the knowledge management under this there are two things will be there: express knowledge management and impress knowledge management, implied knowledge management. So it depends on the implied knowledge management. So automatically everything will be automated. Based on the automated, whatever the service rules and regulations that are available, the people will be through the chat block. They will be forwarding their messages. Based on this, the company, the technical service person will be helping them to get rid of the issues or whatever to resolve the issues. But in the case of the tacit, that is a socialization process, they came to know about where the knowledge repository, based on the knowledge repository, people, the company technicals, personals can be able to identify what type of the queries, what type of feedback they have to give the customers. So the scope of CRM in service sector is very vast, where it is include government, healthcare, hospitality, education, banking, insurance, financial, legal, consulting, mass media, hospitality, for example, restaurant, hotel, casinos, tourism, retail sales. So these are all the things will be coming under the service sectors. Let's see one by one. So let us take a hospitality industry. So the service sector is receiving much deserved attention resulting from its inevitable role in a country's economic development, where it is mainly focusing of a developing an inbound relationship with the customer, which helps in terms of retaining the customer because service is an intangible good, includes attention, advice, experience, discussion. So for example, let us take a service organization, especially for example regarding the hospitality or regarding the service theme park. Nowadays the theme park, because due to modernization, urbanization, so people are more and more mechanical life. They want to relax for their weekends or occasions like that. Most of the theme parks are emerged. So everywhere water theme park is there and then play theme parks are there. or games theme parks are there, depends on the target customers. Maybe they'll be targeting towards a child, then what is relevant for the child, how to attract the child. So they'll be having a child theme park like that. Then for the adult, for the family, so lot of theme parks with the games, fun loaded recreation facilities, and then games also available everywhere. And then the regarding cars, portals, restaurant, hotels, and then casinos, then flights, then cruises. So for example, in the Nicobar Islands, so every year they'll be having a different type of facilities and then promotion campaign and then benefiting the customers also for the cruises and then gas stations, retail stores. These are all the service organization, how they are making their service, how they are giving their more attention towards the customer, and then regarding the advice, both the sides, from the customer side and from the organization point of view also experience the discussion. Discussion is purely based on the needs, desires and wants has to be satisfied and delighting the customers. So these are all the very, very essential things in the organization. And then let us take an example of hospitality industry. Under the hospitality industries, so I'm going to deliver about the two examples. The restaurant name was Pullman Novotel and then the other one is Park Plaza. The perceived quality. So regarding the customer perspective, what they perceive about people, about process, about hygiene. Under the people, normally guest relationship manager. So under Pullman Novotel, they will be having a guest relationship manager, separate designation to deal with the guest, to deal with the hotel customers. And then here only the mode operations under the Park Plaza. And then what is the process? How they are maintaining the customer relationship. So online booking through mobile app, flexible packages, then one point empowerment. So this is the online operations with the customers. And then here in Park Plaza, online and offline booking is there. Procedural package will be there. So based on the individual pack or business pack or economic pack or family pack, like that they'll have the packages also for the boarding and lodging, and then Vigo mobile app. And then under the hygiene facilities. So well-groomed employees. So the employees will be neatly dressed and very groomed well also. And then posh European interiors. All the hotels, they will be maintaining the interior decoration under the European style. And here a mix of both traditional and modern outlay designed by renowned hospitality design Sarbis Singh Ahluwalia. So the thing is the traditions. So we will have the tradition. Suppose for an example, when they are going for a constructing a resort, then ultimately in olden days where the tribal huts, the tribal people, they are living in a hut type of structure. So the hotel restaurant also, they will be mixing with the tradition pattern with the modern pattern. So interiors, everything will be a modern style. The outlook and then the exterior should be a traditional pattern. So this is the way nowadays the people, they are not that much aware about the traditional patterns. So for them, so in this way the culture will be renovating will be there, and then they are patronizing the convention model also. And then IDIC model. So under this, identify, differentiate, interact, customize. So under this Pullman Novotel, identify, trust your software. So if the CRM packages, like for example, PeopleSoft, Oracle, Microsoft, and then Zoho, these are all the software companies. They will be manufacturing customized softwares for the depends on the service organization. If it is a retail store, depends on the retail store. If it is a Big Bazaar, if it is a Reliance Fresh, or if it is a More, so what type of the software they needed, what type of data should be needed, what type of the particulars should be needed for the billing purpose, not only for the billing of the provisions or anything. At the same time, how they are maintaining the relationship with the customer, back-end operations, compliant, feedbacks, inquiries, everything they will be customized. Under Park Plaza, Harmony Database Manager, so everything should be in a harmony. differentiate superior preference upper class customer. So they are always concentrating towards the high tech because the star range. Business peoples, corporate peoples, special preference economic classes. So this is the differentiate. So they are giving a economic class customers preference. And then interact, automated e-campaigns, everything through the web blogs, chat blogs, websites. Here, regular campaigns. Customize stay options and buffer system. So the check-in may be 12 hours or it may be a 24 hours. Depends on the stay hours, depends on the family, depends on the number of the peoples need the accommodation, they will customize. And then the buffer system also. It may be a breakfast, free breakfast, or it may be depends on if the customer needs only the night buffet free, morning you don't want, then they will customize. Then customize banquet arrangements, the halls, interior decors, stage arrangements, buffet arrangements, everything based on the customized. Then copies, this is another, how they are managing the CRM, customers, outputs, process, inputs, suppliers. Who are all the peoples will be coming under the suppliers? Employees are there, then culinary was there, then housekeeping was there, inputs, information via Opera. Oh, sorry. Information via Opera. So the Opera is a software. Then what are the processes are there? Front office. That is a helpline, information, customer desk or reception area. These are all the things that will be coming under the front office. And then toll-free numbers, then contact numbers, through emails, through app. These are all the things that will be coming under the customer touch points. And dining room, reservations, housekeeping facilities, the output, customer service delivery, the customer service feedback, customer suggestion, every restaurant, every hotels, they will be having a customer feedback section. Under this customer feedback section, the customers can view their perceptions, whether they are satisfied or not satisfied, where to improve, how often to improve about the service quality. This is one of the software model, how the guest profiling in Opera software. This is a database customized design for the particular hotel. Customer feedback form. So it may be vary from organization to organization. These are the specimens for Pullman Novotel, for Plaza. Then customer value strategy, operational excellence, customer intimacy. If the organization doing well, their operations, front end and back end, completely satisfied by the customer, then they are success in their business. They are operational excellence, Pullman Novotel. Customer intimacy is more when compared to the Park Plaza. So this is the way how they are valuing the customers. Sources of value, people. At Pullman, HR plays a crucial role. The presence of guest experience manager, young talented minds make it different. So normally, every organization, HR is the central or heart of the organization. If the HR, they are doing their administrative functions, planning, organizing, controlling, staffing, coordinating, training and development, everything is systemized. Recruitment, selections, orientation, everything properly organized and implemented well, then ultimately they will be success in the organization. So for that reason, they are taking the young people's generation exert. At Park Plaza, HR plays a role in just rewarding and recognition. No campus hiring is done. So generally this organization, the HR department functions for the internal employee only for the reward and recognition. Suppose in dining service section, a waiter or a server serving well to the customers, then they have a, for example, the best server in this month. Like that, the recognition, they'll put a hoardings on the walls. At Pullman, Trust You software is used. Separate departments for each function, like HR, like finance, like front office, like housekeeping, like bakeries, food and beverage. Like that, department wise, they'll have. At Park Plaza, multitasking by individual department is witnessed. Even though they are having a separate departments, but multitasking also available. Physical evidence, that is the location. In both the hotels, the uniform for each department is different. Also, the interiors are different in a way that one is European style, the other being traditional based. So that is the interior decors. About the uniforms, about the employees, what they are wearing. Customer communication, this is plays a significant role every hospitality industry. Connection through web portals, offline calling, feedback forms. At Park Plaza, basically through offline and registered email IDs. In this way, they will be connecting the customers. Loyalty programs. Accord Plus is one of the restaurant. They are managing the loyalty program under three classification: silver customer, gold customer, platinum customer. What are the benefits they are offering to maintain the loyalty? Stay plus, complimentary night, up to 50% off of dining, 10% member rate, Red Heart rooms, 15% off drinks in Asia, exclusive members event, maybe a marriage, wedding anniversary, birthday celebrations, some other things. Partner benefits, silver silver status, League Club, Accor hotels. These are all the facilities, strategies followed by Accor Plus to maintain the loyalty program. Park Plaza membership program, that is under the name of Plaza membership. Dedicated sales team with a target of 20 membership per month. This is the target. Membership fee INR 10,000. Benefits 2 room nights, 50% off on buffet up to 6 guests and 20% on above. 1+1 beverage after 5 p.m. Gym and spa vouchers. These are all the loyalty schemes provided by Park Plaza. So, Pullman New Delhi, Aerocity. How they are going for the CRM initiative, it can't get easier. Just guess the name of the famous Thai dishes in our pinned post and win a 3-day trip to Bangkok. So, this is the way how they are patronizing, giving a campaign and then increase their customers. This is one of the promotional campaign through CRM. Complaint management system. Each and every organization, earlier I told, they have the feedback and complaint management system or grievance redressal program, and it may be vary from organization to organization. Park Plaza, mail on prescribed ID. specified ID which was mentioned for a customer care, for a feedbacks, for inquiry at the rate of parkplaza.in, for example, I am telling, leads to head office, then call to general manager, then leads to discussion in morning meeting, leads to action is taken. So 24 hours, whatever the queries comes from the customer side, it will passes to the head office, goes to call to general manager. The next day, the morning, have that meeting discussion. So they can have the process to complete the process within 24 hours. Action should be taken. Pullman Novotel, contact duty manager, issue is heard. If not in the hands of DM, concern is put to GM, DGM, leads to discussion with all directors, leads to action is taken. Employee evolution and progression. So normally, if the employee is happy, if employee is satisfied, then ultimately from the employee side, employee commitments towards the organization commitments towards the employee. Reciprocal always. Where the reciprocal system is there, the organization, due to the commitment of involvement, loyalty, employees are working well, customers are satisfied by their service, industries also grows. So learning is very interesting. Brand training, our body and soul, articulations, brand mantra, keys to communication, train the trainer, a core academy. These are all the ways how they are developing, training the employees to offer a good service to the customer, to delight the customers, the main thing. Reward and recognition under Park Plaza on quarterly basis generally. Unit level 2, that is captains, front of the house, back of the house. Reward and recognition, Pullman Novotel, guest patient, Star Associated Award. Guest patient, Star Executive Award. Sustainable performance, never ending wow surveys, news of the month. They have their own publications. Innovation, share your ideas of the month. Here the employees also rewarded, empowered to give their suggestions. If the suggestion is good, they will implement. So partnership management automatically emerges. Sustainable performance, best seller of the month. So in Raj Prakash hotels, best chef, best server. Like that, the display will be there in the dining halls. Respect and trust, best outsourced associate of the month. Spirit of conquest, the excellence in management award. These are all the rewards and recognition practiced by Pullman Novotel. Thank you.